it's so hard. It's so hard to move on. Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by.
Remy Forte hair sent your baby girl their best unit. This unit is the Kinky Coily HD Lace 24 inches. This is a 6x4 wig, and the density I'm not going to put a number on the density of this wig, but the density is of high quality. The wave, the texture, every single thing about this wig is of high quality, and it speaks for itself already, because I don't think I need to do so much introduction. I mean, look at your baby girl now. Look at your baby girl. I look like an international babe. I don't even look like I'm from Nigeria. I look like all the Spanish. I look like all the Spanish queens, you know, all this Latin. God. All thanks to Remy Forte hair. So watch this video till the end. I'm going to drop something for you towards the end of this video, so you have to watch it till the end to get it. Okay. This is a wig straight out of the box. I don't know what's going on, but I feel we're getting somewhere. Something needs to be done about this wig. First of all, I'm very happy that they sent this elastic band, because you know your baby girl's head is small, but they like the way their cap is, it's so stretchy, and I don't think I need a band for this. I don't think I need an extra band for this, because their wig just comes in one size and it fits me perfectly. So I think if you have a bigger head size, you need to maybe specify when you're shopping for this wig, or maybe any other wig on their website. But this one, so far so good. It fits me perfectly. I don't need any extra elastic band. I don't need to fix anything. It's my perfect size, like my perfect wig. I'm so happy with what I got. Like, imagine this wig, we've not done any single thing on this wig and it's looking this nice. Imagine when we now start working on it. Can you imagine how it turned out? So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get into installing this wig. Know that anything pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plugged, I'm in for it. Anything that does not consign glue, completely glueless, I'm in. That is what I'm going for, and stress-free. You know, this wear and go wig, that is what I am about. You know, I don't like stress. You know, your baby girl does not. She likes the soft life. That's why this wig works very sure. This wig, it's giving everything it's supposed to give, because the quality of this wig, sorry, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I'm admiring this beautiful creature of God. No, I love this wig so much. I love this wig a lot. And if you look closely, you see that this lace is HD lace, 100% HD lace. Like, it melts so well on my skin. I didn't even do anything. I did not apply foundation, no tint spray, no tint mousse, absolutely nothing, and it's melting so well on my skin. I just had to move it this way because I was feeling the wig more this way, and you know, I'm going to be using this my spray to hold the wig a bit. Nothing serious. This is not a glue at all. You guys know that I've been avoiding glue because I'm trying to grow my front hair. I'm going to use this elastic band to hold the wig down for a couple of minutes. That should do it. These guys are really serious. So, like, this wig is not shredding at all. It's not shredding at all. But I'm gonna use my mousse now to define the coils because I really want the coils to come out, the texture, the density. I want you guys to feel and see the density of this wig. So I'm going to use my mousse. I'm going to be very generous with it, not a bit of my mousse, because I want the coils to come out. After everything, guys, this is the shredding. This is it. Out of this full wig, this is what came off, and it's nothing compared to some other wigs that I've tried on, honestly. And the density of this wig, the density of this wig, see the coils is so defined. And you know, I don't need to let you know that this wig is of course a high quality wig, because it's 100% human hair. So now I'm going to see the melt. Oh god, you know, when beginners like me try this kind of wigs, you're expecting us to do like we did nonsense, but the melt is so good, it's so nice and very beginner friendly. I mean, this is just the spray, that's the melting spray, and it's giving this. I'll just cut this lace here.
It's so hard. It's so hard to move on. You stayed the same.
I'm just going to contour here so it blends well with my skin, but you guys already saw it blended so well already. Nothing much to do here. It's how realistic this wig actually looks with my skin. Like, looks like my hair. And we are done. What's more? I'm not doing anything. Okay, no. One last thing. I'm going to try and define this pattern because it's not so visible. Final look. Like I said earlier, this unit is the Remy Forte hair, Remy Forte brand, of course. Kinky coily HD lace wig, 6x4 lace. That's the inches of the lace, and it's 24 inches for those of you that will be getting this unit. This cute, high volume quality 100% human hair wig. It's one thing I love about this wig is the fact that it's easy to wear and go, because you guys know Dirty December is around the corner, and your baby girl. If you're a long-time subscriber, if you're a full-time family member, you know that your baby girl is a perpetual latecomer. Any outing I go out with my friends, I'm always the like last person, or at least second to the last person. But this time I think I'm ready, I'm prepared, because usually I would need to like leave my frontal, comb my wig, you know, all those, straighten my hair and all that. But this one was so easy. All I needed to do is cut the lace, use my melting spray, and that was it. And also use my mousse and define my hairline, and that was it. Very easy, very fast, and we are out. This one is for my people that watch my videos to the end, because I know some people, they'll be doing watching half. I have an exclusive discount. Don't loud it, I'm begging them of God, don't loud it, so that this week will not finish. I have an exclusive discount for those of you that watched this video till this point. For those that will not watch this video till the end, please, you guys, people that are watching now, please don't make too much noise, don't allow them to know. We have 20% off this week. Like, if you use the link in my description box, I know that my voice is too loud. If you use the link in my description box, you get 20% off this week. Like, if this week is $100, you get 20% off. So don't tell anybody. You just, because you're a smart person, you're smart like me, just use that code. Don't tell anybody, or don't share this code with anybody. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let's confuse them. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to join the family members. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.